You are faced with the challenge of precisely balancing a wide range of diverse rotors while simultaneously requiring easy operation and efficient documentation? MPM Germany offers you the ideal solution for this. Introducing Horizontal Balancing Machine HM5 for balancing small roller and shaft-shaped rotors. Our product enables precise balancing for rotors from 10 to 500 grams. For instance, it can detect and locate weight differences as small as 3 milligrams. It offers user-friendly operation and visually appealing software, compatible with Windows and Linux, for single or dual-plane measurement. Easy creation of test reports, data export, and international language support are standard features. Following, we demonstrate a simplified two-plane balancing process using this test rotor. Step 1. Prepare for the balancing process, attach speed sensor, and perform menu basic settings. Step 2. Start measurement and determine existing imbalance. Step 3. Follow instructions on the display to eliminate imbalance by adding or subtracting material. Step 4. Initiate a second measurement and assess the current result. Step 5. If the result has not reached the desired quality level, rebalancing can be done, and a corrective run can be started again. Congratulations! You have successfully eliminated the imbalance in less than 2 minutes. Reducing imbalance from 1.04 to 0.01 gram is almost equal to 99% improvement. Streamline your quality assurance and component precision in the most efficient way possible with the Horizontal Balancing Machine HM5. Save time, stress, and expensive follow-up costs that could arise from extensive rework. The HM5 offers an excellent price-performance ratio and pays for itself in no time. Imagine getting a product for the cost of a daily cup of coffee that not only eases your daily work, but also provides a measurable value to your production accuracy and efficiency for at least the next 10 years and beyond. How does that sound to you? You'll be immediately ready for action with the following components. Horizontal Balancing Machine HM5. Measurement electronics. Starting module and wiring. Take advantage of our current special offer. The next 50 orders will receive a high-quality precision pocket scale with an accuracy of 0.01 grams and an integrated calculator, valued at approximately €180, completely free of charge. Send us a brief inquiry with the code YT180 to claim this exclusive and limited offer. If you desire more information on the diverse applications of the HM5, don't hesitate to contact us. Our competent team is available at all times to answer all your questions and provide the best support possible. To stay informed about the latest developments and special offers, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell. Together, we can achieve your goals and enhance efficiency. Thank you for your continued interest. We look forward to receiving your inquiry and welcoming you back in the next video. See you soon, your MPM Team Germany.